How to check CPU clock speed in your Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can check your Windows clock speed. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is make sure that you've opened up your computer, and now what you'll need to do is hover over your taskbar and right click on it. Now there you'll see Task Manager. Simply tap on Task Manager. After you do that, you can expand this. And on the left hand side, you will see different options. Head over to Performance. Now on your Performance, you will see different speeds here. So here you should find your CPU. And if you tap on your CPU, you will get this option right here. You'll see Utilization, you'll see Speed, and this is basically your CPU speed. Now you can check your memory and your disk and everything else as well. You can also check your Wi-Fi speed. But in this video, we are focusing on CPU speed. So simply select CPU and there you go. You have the CPU speed. And that's basically how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.